Hi, today I'd like to say a couple of words about productivity. You have those days once in a blue moon where you feel like you were able to conquer the world as far as it came to your home. You got up in the morning, you started right off, and you just kept going. And then come time for dinner, you're tired, you put the dinner together, and you plop down in front of the TV because you're exhausted. Well, you're really proud of yourself because you got things done. You were productive that day. And then you have all this expectation for the next day. And no matter how hard you try, when the next day comes, you can't do that. You can't muster up that same enthusiasm, that same energy level. You know why? Because we're human. We are not programmed. We are run by so many different influences. Our mindset, our environment, what's going on with us. So do not expect every single day to be the same. Now, also, that day where you were real productive, you probably should have made yourself stop sooner than you did. You don't want to get to the point where you're exhausted because that's almost a surefire way to determine you're not going to be up to doing anything the next day. And then you're going to have these feeling of failures. And the more you feel like you failed, the less you'll do. So it's kind of like, oh, I worked really hard. I got this stuff done, but I wasn't able to do it again the next day. What's wrong with me? There's nothing wrong with you. That's the way we are. So if you decide to try doing less when you do have that energy and that fortitude to work hard, you will find that you can do it more often. You know, even if you did a small amount of time, say 15 minutes a day for 6 days a week, add it up. It's more than if you did a bunch of stuff in one day and then did not do anything for the next 2 weeks. So it's kind of like when you get your paycheck. You have all this money, hopefully, and you have no trouble spending it. And then you pay out the bills and you're like, uh-oh, I can't have any more fun this time till next payday. It's the same thing with your energy. Don't spend it all in one day. Don't spend it all in one place. Give yourself a break.